Hey Carter, this is just one that was just better if I show you as opposed to telling you. All right, so here's the deal. The default for setting up your coordinate axes in SolidWorks always used to be Y up, which is what I'm showing you over here on the left-hand side. But in the newest version, they allowed the user at the very get-go to set up what they wanted as being up. So you can see the student here chose Z as up. So the only issue is that it completely screws up the center of mass. So if I check out the center of mass for this one, X is negative 0.53, but if I come over here and obviously if I check out it's his Y is negative 0.53. So there's no easy way for the student to fix the part, but what we should do is make sure everybody is on the same page moving forward. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to create a new part. You're going to go to advanced and you have the option of Y up or Z up. They'll have to do this for assemblies as well. So once they do that, now Y up is correct, and then they should go File, Save As, if this will do it for me. And they want to go the Save As to come down here to the part templates, and it automatically goes to the correct location, and they'd want to set that as their part 1 template. So they should just change that from part 1 to being part, and just go in here and replace that template. And once they do that, that'll fix the problem. But they'll also have to do that for assemblies. It'll be the exact same thing. They're going to create a new assembly, and Y should be up. They'll click OK. And then, well, then it starts off with this begin assembly. We'll just X out of that. And then they're going to go File, Save As, and they'll go to part templates here again. Where's the assembly template? Assembly templates here, and it should be assembly 1. Just change it to assembly 1 or assembly template and click save. All right, so I don't think that many people have done homework 6 yet, but maybe if you can do that when you do lab tomorrow, and I'll make sure I catch my labs in the afternoon to have them do that, and I'll make a video sometime tomorrow morning too that we can post for the students from the either the labs today or the Tuesday labs. Okay, hope this makes sense to you. Talk to you later. Bye.